And then you can see this pea plant is growing up out of the rabbit cage. So I made an opening for it, and it's doing quite well. It's climbing quite quickly, and this one is ready to come out too. There it is. That one's ready to come out. So I'm gonna make a little opening here. Just cut a little opening like right here, and then let it come out this way and climb up like the other one. So the next thing I need to do is make an opening here. You can see there's a pea plant. Let me zoom in. There's a pea plant trying to get out through the top right here. I'm going to make a little opening here and let it out, just like I did over here for this pea plant. Let me zoom out so you can see. That one's going quite a bit. Look how high up it's getting. So I need to do the same over here. And to do that, all right, so I'm just going to make a little notch right about there, all the way in. Go and enter 2, couple centimeters that way. And I'm just going to open that up. Make a nice little door. Now that's probably big enough for. Try and reach in there. There. There you go. There you go. Come back. It's going to need something to grab onto. It wants to go the other way. There we go. Now you're out. I'm going to close that down a little bit right there. Come on out. Don't run away. See what happens if I do that. There you go. Now it's got something to grow onto. All right, let's just leave that, and then I can open it and close it as I need. But this will keep most vermin out, I hope. Hi everyone. Well, I'm back out here. It's about a week later, and let's have a look and see how those peas are doing. As you can see, we just had a rainstorm, and so everything's wet. And as you can see, it's doing quite well here, coming out of this little vent that I put in here. I put a pole in here so that it can climb up that. I'm very excited because, as you can see, we have one of our first flowers. So that blossom will turn into a pea pod once it's pollinated. And you can see it's ready, it's climbing. So it went from down here this much in a week. And over on this side, the really big one, as you can see, has grown quite a bit taller, and it too has a couple of new blossoms on it. So we should be having pea pods in a few weeks. All right, friends, thanks for watching another episode of Ponderosa Garden Adventures. Give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and share with your friends and fellow gardeners. Hope you're having a good day. Thanks for watching Ponderosa Garden Adventures. We'll see you next time.